Today I will continue the same topic which was incomplete. That means I will teach you voice. In voice, today I will teach you how to change the sentences of present perfect tense from active voice to passive voice. Now I am writing the structure of present perfect tense in active voice. Subject plus has have plus V3 plus object. Passive voice. As you very well know that object is changed into subject. So here object will be changed into subject. After this we will put helping verb has have. Then in passive voice we have to use something extra. That means we will have to use being in this tense in passive voice. In all the present perfect tense in passive voice, being is necessary. Being, then, after then, V3, then by, then subject will be changed into object. Now I am giving you example. I have doubt this. In this sentence, I is subject, this is object, then this will be changed into subject. This has become subject. Now you have to recognize whether this is singular or plural. Here this is, as you know that this is singular, so we will use has. Then we will use being. This has been. Then V3, same V3. Doubt by. Subject will be changed into object. Then me. I change it into me. Next example. He has solved many sums. In this sentence, he is subject, many sums are object. You will change many sums into subject, many sums. As you see here, many sums is plural, that is why we will use have with this subject. Many sums have. Then after have we will use what? Been. Many sums have been solved by. He will be changed into object. Then what is the object form of he? The object form of he is him. Next example. You have learned a lot of things today. In this sentence, you is subject, a lot of things is object, today is adverb. You will put adverb in the last. Now you will change a lot of things into subject, a lot of things. A lot of things is plural subject. That is why we will use have with this. have, then being, then B3, learned, then subject will be changed into object. Object form of you is same, you. Next example. Ram has stolen a pen, stolen 2 pens. In this sentence, Ram is subject, 2 pens are object. You will change 2 pens into subject, 2 pens is plural subject, have. That is why we will use have with this. 2 pens have, then being, then B3 stolen by Ram. Ram, here Ram is singular, Ram is noun. There is no change in the subjective form and objective form of a noun. So, Ram in objective form also Ram. Now we come to present perfect continuous tense. Structure in active voice of present perfect is subject, has, have, plus being, plus before, plus object. Basic voice. As you know, object is changed into subject. That is why object will be changed into subject. Then, according to this subject, we will have to use has, have. Then, being. Before is changed into being plus before. Being plus B3. Before is changed into being plus B3. Then, by. Then, subject is changed into object. He has been learning English for 3 years. In this sentence, he is subject, English is object. Object will be changed into subject. English is singular subject. That is why we will use has. English has, then being plus B3, being learned by, subject will be changed into object. Him for 3 years. Now we come to simple past tense. Simple past tense. Or you can say past indefinite tense. past indefinite tense. Active voice, subject plus be2 plus object. Passive voice, as you know, object is changed into subject. That is why here object will be changed into subject. Then, according to this, we will have to use helping verb. With this sense, in passive voice, helping verb was and where are used. Subject after that was where. Then V2 will be changed into V3. Then by. Then subject will be changed into object. For example, he helped me. He is subject, me is object. Me will be changed into subject. I takes was. I was helped by. He will be changed into object, him. She stole his pen. His pen is object. She is subject. His pen will be changed into subject. His pen. Here pen is singular. That is why we will use was with this subject. His pen was stolen. In the V3, stolen by. She changed into her. Next example, the teacher taught English. English will become subject. English was taught by the teacher. Next example. He ate 2 apples. In this sentence, he is subject, it is V2, 2 apples is object. 2 apples will become subject. 2 apples. 2 apples plural subject. 2 apples is plural subject. Hence, we will use where eaten, third form of eat is eaten by him. Now we come to past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Active voice. Subject plus was, where plus V4 plus object. Passive voice. object will be changed into subject. Then according to this subject we will have to use helping verb was where. Then before it change into being plus V3, then by, then subject is changed into object. For example, he was teaching her. In this sentence, her is object, he is subject. Her will be changed into subject. She takes was. Being, before will be changed into being plus V3. Being taught by, he becomes him. She was writing an essay. She is subject and essay is object. An essay will be changed into subject. An essay is single subject, that is why we will use was. An essay was, before will be changed into being plus V3. Was being written by her. Next example, he was helping us. Us becomes subject, then we will use the subjective form of us. We takes verb, that means where, we were being helped by him. Next example, she was plucking flowers. In this sentence, flowers is object, she is subject. Flowers is plural subject. That is why it will take where, flowers were being plucked by her. Now we come to past perfect tense. Active voice, subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Object becomes subject in passive voice. Subject, then had, then been, then V3, then by, and subject becomes object. He had killed a tiger. Here a tiger is object, he is subject. A tiger had been killed by him. You had done all the homework. In this sentence, all the homework is object, you is subject. Object will be changed into subject. All the homework. All the homework. Homework is singular, that is why had. In this tense, with all the subject we use had only. All the homework had been done by you. After this, we come to past perfect continuous tense. Active voice, subject, had plus been plus before plus object plus oral sense plus time. Passive voice, object will be changed into subject. Subject had, then been, then before. Before it changed into being plus B3. Being plus B3. Then by plus object. Then 406 plus time. For example, he had been learning English for 5 years. English is subject. This will become subject. English had been, before it changed into being plus B3, had been being learned by him for 5 years. Now I will give you homework. First example is they have made a noise. She had bought 2 pens today. Ram Ram taught him. The teacher gave to the students today. He was doing nothing. Ram was helping everybody. She was knitting a sweater. The students were playing cricket. He was planting saplings. He had stolen nothing. That's all for today. Thank you.